everyone, and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, the food goodies. And today I'm going to share the health benefits of garlic. I'm also going to show you a very simple and delicious garlic and lemon chutney, which is simple to make and very healthy. And the best thing about this recipe is that you can actually make this every day for your lunch or dinner and have it with rice, chapati, paratha, or whatever meal you are taking. For the chutney, I will have very simple ingredients like the garlic, the lemon, green chilies or chili flakes, and of course salt to taste. So let's see the recipe as well as know the health benefits of garlic. So the garlic contains a compound called allicin or allicin, which has potent medicinal properties. It's known to reduce inflammation. These tiny birds are packed with antioxidants, so they are really good for your health. Garlic are very good sources of vitamin C and vitamin B6. They are also good source of selenium, manganese, iron and calcium. The garlic is known to boost your immunity and also reduces the oxidative stress. It is very common that whenever we get cold or flu, we eat garlic or crush it in the mustard oil and take a massage of it. So they are very good to control the cold and flu effects. It is less known that garlic are very good to improve the iron metabolism. Garlic are very good dietary source to reduce triglyceride, including LDL or the bad cholesterol. The garlic is also known to reduce the blood pressure and maintain a healthy blood sugar level. Having 1 to 2 cloves of garlic in your lunch or dinner is known to help in proper digestion. A few researches show that the garlic relieves blood clotting disorders. As I told earlier, garlic contains anti-inflammatory properties. And finally, they prevent from respiratory infections. So these are a few health benefits of garlic. The lemon juice will balance the strong and pungent taste of garlic. This recipe tastes great with green chilies. If you have them, just go for it. So the garlic and lemon chutney is also ready and is looking delicious. So thank you for watching All Lite Food, the food goodies. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.